Hello friends, welcome back to a new video of Microsoft Excel series that is currently running into my channel. Friends, please check the playlist into my channel. There you will find useful playlist that will help you to learn easily. So friends, today we are going to learn a most popular and most common formula of Microsoft Excel used by everyone in everyday life. Today we are going to learn the minimum formula of Microsoft Excel. To know about this formula briefly, watch this video till the end. This is your host Preetham and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notifications from my channel. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back friends. For your easy reference, as usual, I am going to run the OSK software, that means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. Friends, I have already created a file previously. Let's open that file. Here it is. Suppose you have a scorecard or result sheet like this and you have to find the minimum value or number in a cell range or in a certain range. To get the minimum value from a set of numbers, you can easily use the min formula. Look at here carefully friends, I am typing the formula. The formula will be like this, equals to min minimum, then open the first bracket, then it is asking for the numbers. The one method can be like this, you can type the number like this, or you can select the cell reference number where the number has been included. So I am selecting the cell reference number here. In my case, the cell reference number is from C6 to G6. Then simply close the bracket and hit the enter button. Look at here friends, it is showing the result without any errors. And if you look carefully in this range, 25 is the minimum value and the lowest number in this cell range. So let's check how this formula actually works. The minimum function, min function, is fully automatic. It accepts one or more arguments which can be numbers or cell references that point to numbers. Then it returns to the minimum value. And you can copy the formula from upside down, just dragging with your cursor, the formula will be copied. So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you like this video. I will come back soon with a new trick that can be used with this formula, that is min, that means minimum formula. Please share your opinion in the comment box. Share this video with your friends and nearest dearest one who wants to learn advanced Microsoft Excel from the very beginning level. Keep learning, keep supporting my channel and stay tuned.